Hey there, and welcome to my kitchen. So you already here and you done your research. You know that Greek is good for your health. You just don't know how to cook it. You come to the right place. Here I'm gonna show you how we cook Greek porridge in Sudan. Easy 15-minute dessert. I'm gonna leave in the comment section all the ingredients you need. As you start, we need butter and the beans, of course. We're gonna have to toast it until it gets golden color. Now I'm gonna pour about 1 cup of water and leave it there for 10 minutes. In a small cup of water, I will drop rock of natron. You can replace this with baking soda. 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour and water. Of course, for all dessert, you need salt and sugar. So now I want it to be creamy. You can stop right here if you are in diet, if you don't want to add any milk or any fat. But I will add dry milk or heavy cream, half, whatever you desire. You see it is still white. We're gonna add the mix of the natural. This is gonna give it golden yellowish color. It's gonna look amazing at the end. See, the color is changing now. It's gonna get even more yellowish than that. Now it's ready. You can eat it hot or cold. As you already know, it's so beneficial. It's amazing. It tastes so good. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching.